If you're looking to get started in tech and you don't know where to start from, I would 100% recommend digital marketing for you. One, it is highly profitable. Two, it is easy to learn. Three, it is very versatile. You can apply it in different industries and make lots of profits from it. According to Glassdoor, a digital marketer is estimated to earn about 100 to 375,000 naira monthly in Nigeria. That is just from one client. You can have as many clients as possible as a digital marketer. It is very, very important for you to learn digital marketing. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 4 different ways you can apply digital marketing to increase your finances and make more money online. I'm also going to be showing you 5 different platforms you can learn digital marketing for free, and not just that, get free certificates that will help you get jobs and also be internationally recognized. If you like this and you want to hear it, give me a thumbs up on this video, give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe so that you don't miss out on subsequent videos that are coming soon on sales, marketing, and finance. Welcome back. My name is Favour Kemjii Okoro. I am a digital marketing professional, and this is something I have done over the years. It has made me lots of profits, that's giving me influence, that's also giving me opportunities, and that is why I'm recommending it to anybody who wants to learn a digital skill. You want to get started in tech, you don't know what to learn. Digital marketing is easy for you to learn, and it is also very rewarding. Here are the 4 ways you can apply digital marketing to get profits and make more money online. One, you can apply it to your business. Every single business needs marketing to survive. You need to sell whatever it is you're selling, physical products, digital products, services, whatever it is you're selling, you need marketing to get more customers, get more clients, and make more profits. So that is one of the ways it can help you. If you run a business, you know somebody who runs a business, your digital marketing skill will help you stand out from every other person in your industry. It's not the best person that makes the most money, it's the person who knows how to market the most that actually makes the most money. And the second way you can make money from digital marketing is actually working as a freelancer who offers these digital marketing skills to businesses around the world. So you can offer this skill to different businesses, whether in your locality or online, help them to get more sales, because every single business needs sales, and most business owners are too busy, too occupied, that some of them don't even know how to market, so they need your services. So if you can offer this service to them and get paid as a freelancer, you can work with as many companies as possible, as long as you can handle them. If you can handle 100 companies, you can work with 100 companies. And imagine if each company is paying you 100,000 naira per month. So freelancing is one of the ways you can earn from digital marketing. The third way is by starting a digital marketing agency. This is similar to freelancing, but this time around you have a group of people who work with you or who work under you, who you also give jobs to, but you're the one who gets the jobs. So that's what a digital marketing agency does. Now, the fourth way you can actually monetize this digital marketing skill is by getting a full-time job in a company as their marketing manager or digital marketing executive, or any of those roles that involve sales and marketing. And every single business, every single company out there has a role called marketing executive. They all need marketing managers. They all need people who are willing and able to get more sales for them, because guess what? Newsflash, if they do not make sales, the company is going to fold. So your job is so critical, your job is so important, and businesses are willing to pay so much as long as you are ready to show them that you know your onions. So the first step is to learn the skill and also practice the skill so that you can get quality clients that pay you good money. See, the truth is, if you learn digital marketing very well and you're able to stand out, you can literally name your price anywhere, because you are going to be highly sought after. Now, let me show you 5 different platforms where you can get certificates as a digital marketer, and where you can also learn the digital marketing skill without paying a dime. I'm going to be sharing my screen right now to show you these platforms and how you can use them. Mind you, I'll be putting all the links in the description, so check out the description to see the link and click and register immediately. Now, according to Glassdoor, a digital marketer is estimated to earn about 103,000 to 375,000 naira every single month. You can see that this is a highly profitable digital skill that you can learn that will enable you to make good profits online. The first one we have here is HubSpot. HubSpot is an online academy where you can learn different things, different skills, and all of that. HubSpot has a free digital marketing course. You can see this here. It's a free certification course where you will learn, and They've explained that it's for business owners, for marketing managers, for individuals. You would learn how to create a solid digital marketing strategy. You learn how to optimize your website for humans and search engines. You learn email marketing, social media marketing, advertising, and lots more. There are 9 lessons, there's 7 videos, 11 quizzes, 5 hours. In 5 hours, you'll be done. And if you pass the exam, you're going to get a certificate that you can post on LinkedIn. You can add to your CV, you can add to your resume, and you can use it to get jobs. Look at this. They have up to 5 different instructors, more than 5, 9 instructors that are teaching you different things. You're learning digital marketing fundamentals, you're learning content creation, you're learning SEO, you're learning website performance, and lots more. This is so rich. And the best part is that it is 100% free. This is amazing. I'm also going to be putting the link in the description, so you can check the description for the links to all these sites and you can check them out immediately. The next one we have here is Udemy. When you go to Udemy, you see so many courses, but when you search for this particular course, Digital Marketing Essentials Masterclass, you can see that it is free. And there are also some other digital marketing courses that are free. But I'll say you should take this first one that is free. And this one is just 1 hour, 5 lectures, and as a beginner, you've learned digital marketing. You can now move over to take the second one, complete introduction to digital marketing. In just 2 hours, you've learned digital marketing, and you can now go out there and use this thing that you've learned to get the results that you want. The next one we have is futurelearn.com. Futurelearn.com also has a digital marketing training that comes with a certificate, right? And it has about 306,000 people who have enrolled into this course. It's a 2-week course, 3 hours weekly, 100% online with free certificates, free training and everything. You're going to learn how to use digital marketing strategies to grow businesses. You're going to learn different marketing strategies. This is your instructor. You're going to learn in just 3 weeks or 2 weeks rather. You're going to be getting also a certificate that is internationally recognized. So you're also going to get an internationally recognized certificate. Don't forget, I'll put the link in the description so you can check below the video for all the links. This is a good time for you to subscribe to this channel if this video has been valuable to you. So hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, because we have so many more amazing videos like this coming soon and you do not want to miss it. The next one is Google Digital Skills. This was the first digital marketing course I took some years back, and it really helps me to get started in digital marketing. This is a very helpful course that gives you a certificate. You're going to take about 40 hours of learning plus some practicals and questions. You're going to learn search engine optimization. You're going to learn advertising. You're going to learn how to sell through email marketing. You're going to learn advertising, website traffic, and lots more. At the end, you're going to have a final assessment, and if you pass the assessment, you get your certificate. This is owned by Google, so it's internationally recognized. The last but not the least is Coursera. Coursera is another online learning platform like Udemy, and they also have this very free digital marketing course right here that has about 5 instructors teaching this course. And guess what? You're seeing this at the right time because it is currently enrolling, and you can click on this enroll for free right now, and you can start going through the course immediately. They have about 83,000 people who have gone through this training. You're going to learn brand communication, social media, content marketing, digital marketing, search marketing, mobile marketing, integrated marketing communication, data collection, data analysis, and lots more. You also get a shareable certificate that is internationally recognized that you can use and post on your LinkedIn, and also use it to add to your CV and resume to apply for digital marketing jobs. You can see your instructors here: Vishal, Michael, Steve, Raquel. All of these instructors are people who are teaching in recognized universities like University of Illinois. So you know that these guys know exactly what they are doing. So now you can get started with digital marketing without having to break the bank, without having to buy expensive courses or anything. You can start with free trainings, 100% free trainings that also come with free certificates. So what are you waiting for? Check the description right now, click on the links and start going through it and start becoming the digital marketer that your business needs, that your finances actually needs. Now, if you learned anything from this video, make sure you comment below free digital marketing courses. Please comment. It's not going to cost you anything to comment, but it's going to mean a lot to this video because it's going to help the algorithm to know that this video is valuable. So comment free digital marketing courses below if you watched till the end. Thank you for watching. Check the description to check out these courses. They are free, and if you have any question, let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe, because on this channel, we teach you lots of things about sales, marketing, finance, and things that will help you build a highly profitable life
all round. So if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and tell your friends about it, and see you in the next one.